Today we will solve question number 2 of exercise 1.1 of class 6. So second question is place commas correctly and write numerals. Okay, so these are the Indian way of writing the numbers. As here you see that lakh is there and thousands is there. Okay, so we need to see that how the Indian numbers are written. Okay, so I will explain first of all how Indian numbers are written. So if any number is there like 1 0 0 0 0 0 or whatever, so when we start from the right side, okay, when we start from the right side, first of all the comma will be written after 3 digits. Okay, and after this we will put the comma after 2 digits, this one and this 2 and this, so it will be put here. Okay, so I am facing some issue with my pen. Okay, let's see. Here it is. Okay, so first the 3 digits, after 3 digits the comma will be there, and afterwards it will be 2 digits, and always when you go left, then the 2 digits will be there. Okay, so first question is 73 lakhs, okay, and 75,307. okay, so first of all, so question number A, we write question number A. So 73 lakhs, so we'll write 73, and then after lakhs it is 1000, then 75,000 is there, we'll write 75,000, and after 1000 it comes as 100, so 307. So 307, how we'll write like this. Okay, so it is 73 lakh 75,000 and 307. so the comma will be kept after 3 digits starting from the right side. So first, second and third, so here it will comma, and afterwards it will be 2 digits, so 1 2, so 2 digits, after 2 digits here is the comma, so we write like this. Fine, now we'll go to question number B. Okay, so for question number B, it is 9 crore 5 lakh and 41. So first of all we write 9 crore. Okay, then it is 5 lakh, so after crore it comes 5, but in lakh there is 10 lakh also, so in place of 10 there is nothing, so we'll write 0 and then 5. Okay, after lakh it comes as 1000. Okay, so it is 9 crore 5 lakh 41, so in place of 1000 it has not given anything to us, so we'll write 0 in place of that. So we'll write 0 like this, and now we'll have to write 41. So for 41 there is no 100th place is there, so for 100th place we have to write 0 and then 41 like this. So for writing 41, 1 is the 1's place, 4 is the 10th place, and 100th place 0, because nothing is there, so we have written 0. And for 1000 place nothing was there, and 10,000 place nothing was there, so we have written 0. So in this way we write the numbers. And now to put comma here, so we will start from right side and we'll count 1 2 3. So after 3, comma is like this, and after this after two digits we'll have the comma. So after this 0 and this 0 we'll put a comma here, and now we'll skip two digits again, this 5 and 0, and we'll put comma here. Okay. So like this we write the number 9 crores 5 lakh 41. I think it is understood. Now we'll go for C point. C question number 7 crore 50 lakh. So we'll write 7. Now in place of lakh it is 50, so we'll write 50. Then 21,000, so we'll write 21 because for 21 2 is at the 10,000s place and 1 is at the 1 place. So 21,000 and 302. So in hundreds place 3 and tens place it is 0 because at tens place nothing is coming. So at ones place 2 will come. Okay. So now for starting from right side, we'll put comma after three digits here, and now after 2 digits, after 1 and 2 we'll write comma here, and after 2 digits and after 0 and 5 comma put here. Okay. So it is 7 crore 50 lakh 21,302. Okay. Now we'll go for D, question number D. Okay. So question number D, what is this? 58 million. So it is here, you see it is the million here. Okay. So that we have to take into the consideration that it is talking about the million, but we but later on since we are writing the numbers in the Indian system, so we'll put the comma Indian system, and I will show you how to write the English system, means USA system also, as it is in million. Okay. So both I will tell you, I will show you. Okay. So okay, come in. So first I will write the numbers. So 58 million. Okay. So 58 million in place million, we will write 58, and as it is a million, so for writing million you have 6 zeros after you call the million. Okay. So for example 1 million is there, so after 1 you have to write 6 digits. If you are calling 58 million, then it means that 6 digits are to come after this. Okay. Then after this one 58 million 423,000. So it is talking about the all the numbers that after 58 it will be 10. So it will be 4, we will write 423. Why? Because it is talking about the 423,000, means 423 is there and then 1000 is also there. Okay. So the digits after 58 will be 423, and now after that 202. So it is saying that 202. Okay. So this is the total number. So if we write in the US system, means million, billion, then we have to put comma after 3 digits here and after 3 digits here. So in the US system they put the comma in the after 3 digits, but as we are writing the Indian numbers here, so we'll put the comma as per Indian system. Okay. So in Indian system we start from the right side, and first we'll put the comma after 3 digits. So after 202, so we will put comma here, and now after this we'll write the comma after 2 digits. So after 3 and 2 we have comma here, and now again after 2 digits, after 4 and 8 we will put comma here. Okay. So if we read this in Indian system, it is 5 crore 84 lakhs 23,202. Okay. And in English system that we have written as 58 million 422,202. Okay. I think you got my point. Now question number E. Question number E is 23 lakh 30,010. Okay. So in place of lakh what is there? 23. In place of lakh it is 23, and then it is talking about 30,000. In place of 1000 what is talking about? 30. So we'll write 30. Okay. And 30,000 in place of means 10,000 place is 3, and in place of 1000 it is 0. And now we have to see that what is at the 100th place. 100th place nothing is there, so we will write 0, and then it is 10. In 10 means as 10th place 1 is there, and at 1's place 0 is there. Okay, we will write like this. So now we will write put the comma here in the Indian system. So we will start from the right, and first of all we will consider we will put the comma after 3 digits. So 3 digits come here, and after this we will consider putting the comma after 2 digits. So after 0 is this one, and 3 comma is here. Okay, so how we will pronounce this? 23 lakhs 30,000. Okay, I think you got my point. So this is second question of exercise first exercise of class 6. Okay, if you have any doubt, put your means question in the comment section. Okay, thank you.